SmartQuote allows your customers to accept the final quote online in their own time. If you have a payment gateway, it will allow them to pay their deposit at the same time. Contact tech support to activate the SmartQuote Premium module for you. When that has been completed, you'll find all your SmartQuote settings under Settings, SmartQuote. The first two email templates are what the customer will see when you send them a SmartQuote. Note that the variable live link is the button that customers will click to access the quote. The remaining email templates are the notification emails that will go to the rep when a customer has completed an action. For all email notifications, the rep who created the quote will always be notified of any customer activity on SmartQuote, but you can also blind copy other people to be notified in the business. To use SmartQuote, put your quote together as normal and then click the Process Quote Order button. At the Proceed stage, you will now see a third option called SmartQuote. Once you've selected this, specify the check measure and install settings as required, and then press Continue. This preview is what the customer will see for the quote. Once you are happy with it, click Send Quote to get to the email sending screen to send the quote off. Once it has been sent off, back on your quotes list, there will be a tag indicating that SmartQuote has been sent. The next video will cover what the customer sees and does and how that interacts with QuoteWrite.